Welcome to this video where we'll explore one of the most common errors that developers face when working with Express.js and TypeScript. If you're a Node.js developer who's tried to use middleware in your Express.js application, chances are you've encountered an error message that says something like property middleware does not exist on type request or 22339 property. Middleware does not exist on type RequestParamsDictionary. If this sounds familiar, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what's causing this error and provide a step-by-step solution to get your application up and running smoothly. In this video, we'll cover what middleware is in Express.js, why TypeScript throws an error when using it, and how to resolve the issue without compromising on type safety. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use middleware with Express.js and TypeScript and be able to fix similar errors that may arise in your own project. So, let's start by talking about what middleware is in Express.js. Middleware functions are essentially pieces of code that can run before or after your main request handler function. They're incredibly useful for tasks like authentication, logging, and input validation. In a typical Express.js application, you might use multiple middleware functions to perform different tasks. However, when using TypeScript with Express.js, things get a bit more complicated. By default, the TypeScript type checker doesn't know anything about your middleware functions or what properties they might add to the request object. This is why, when you try to access those properties in your code, TypeScript throws an error saying that it can't find them on the request type. To fix this issue, we need to tell TypeScript about our middleware functions and what properties they add to the request object. We do this by using type augmentation. Type augmentation allows us to extend existing types with new properties or methods without modifying the original type definition. For example, let's say we have a middleware function that adds an authenticated property to the request object. To make TypeScript aware of this property, we can create a new interface that extends the request type and includes our new property. To summarize, here are the key points from this video. Middleware functions in Express.js add properties or methods to the request object. By default, TypeScript doesn't know about these added properties or methods. To fix the error, we need to use type augmentation to extend the request type with our own custom properties or methods. That's it for this video on fixing the property middleware. Does not exist on type request error in Express.js and TypeScript. If you're still having trouble getting your application working, please leave a comment below with details about your issue, and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on programming topics, and we'll catch you in the next one.